When you think about the supply chain and the systems that support this process, they're disconnected. They're disconnected for multiple reasons. The most primary one being that they are split across enterprise boundaries, across partners that support different parts of the supply chain and different functions. They're also broken within an enterprise by functional areas: the planning department, the logistics department, the trade department, the procurement department, the manufacturing department. When we look at the connected supply chain, what we're really talking about is the decision-making process, the flow of information, the flow of actions and execution have to happen in a connected fashion, much like how the physical flow happens.
In reality, most big companies outsource the majority of how they make things and ship things and sell things. And what we enable them to do is connect supply and demand more effectively so they can make just the right amount of goods they need to fulfill demand. Also, to put it in the right place, to avoid things like expedites, to avoid things like making too much or too little. And that's the balance we help our customers strike.
By connecting your supply chain, you're able to identify often that there are expedited moves that are unnecessary. And there are more cost-effective means of moving material if you have a better plan and can anticipate the location material needs to be consumed. And if you can reduce cost, you can often reduce emission, because substituting ocean, for example, versus air delivers large favorable costs, but also large favorable carbon footprint outcomes.
We help companies lower their overall cost of goods, and we eliminate waste from the manufacturing and distribution process. Both have tangible effects on our planet and also on the lives of all of us. If you can lower the cost of goods, that means you need less money, less effort to be able to do the things everybody wants to do every day. So our job, our company, is built around how to eliminate waste in the manufacturing, transportation, and distribution process while lowering the overall cost of goods for people.